Alright, so this is the front door. We arrive at this townhouse, this 2 floors apartment. You can see there is a big living room at this area and the front balcony. And there are 6 rooms, 3 rooms at this floor and another 3 rooms on the second floor. So there's the room 1 and 2 and 3 and a shared bathroom of this room, of this floor. Right here is a dining table. And here is the full kitchen. And right there is the back balcony and the stairs going to the second floor. We'll start from the living room. Okay, so there's a mirror and a shoe shelf here, shoes cabinet. Okay, and some shelves right here. And there's an AC on top, and a couch, a big couch, and a coffee table, a little bar table, and a TV. And right here is the front balcony. You can just check out the view from here, little view. Okay, from this angle. Alright, it is in the evening. So here is the dining table and filtered water, and a fan. Let's check out the bathroom. Alright, so a toilet, a sink, it's a little bit wet, so I'm not going to go in. And there's a curtain to divide it, and a shower and shower head, and a big mirror. And right there is the fan, shelf, and a hair dryer. Okay, perfect. So let's go here. Yes, there's a full kitchen, freezer, and a fridge, a sink. Okay, and 2 stoves and a stove fan. Great. And here's the back balcony. It's where the garbage bin is and recycle bin as well. And on top is where you can hang your clothes. Right there is the washer. And follow these stairs, you can go to the second floor. Yeah, it's really cool that they have this kind of decoration. Great. And this mini football game, and darts, and a little sofa. And the 3 rooms on this floor is this 4, 5, and 6. Okay, here is the bathroom of the second floor. Also a sink, and a shower head, and a toilet. Very clean. The cleaning, they have twice a week cleaning. Let's see. Okay, thank you. Alright, let's check out room 1. It's a really comfy room with green wall. So you have a shelf, some shelves to put some decoration and stuff. And here's the couch, and a lamp, and a closet. Very clean. And on top is the AC. And there's the window. You got your curtains you can use. And a little table. Right here is the standard double bed. And one mirror. And a desk and a chair. Okay, so from this angle, it's quite spacious for 2 people. Alright. Okay, so we're now seeing the 2 rooms on the 2nd floor. This is the first room. Yeah, in this room there's a standard double bed, a closet over there, and a mirror, and an outside window. Sorry. And a big desk and a chair and a lamp, a fan right here. And on top is the split AC, and right here is the sofa. Okay. Nice. This is the closet. Very nice. Okay, so also from this angle. Very nice. Alright, so another. Okay, so this is another room just beside it. So this is also there's a standard double bed and drawers, some drawers right here, and a closet. And on top is the AC, and you have a big balcony and window, and a desk and a chair. Let me see. Okay, got a lamp and a mirror. On the ceiling, on the wall is there some decoration. Yeah, I like it. And the balcony is your own private balcony. You only share with the tenants next door to you. Yeah, and so there's a table and 4 chairs and barbecue area right there. Alright, but it's a little bit dark since it's at night. Okay, from this angle. Alright. Thank you.